if Facebook professional mode is no longer showing or appearing on your profile, or maybe it's just grayed out, first of all, professional mode gets grayed out if you have locked your profile. So if that's your case, you will get an unlock profile option. Just tap on it and then hit the unlock icon and then tap on unlock profile once again. And your professional mode option will be clickable once again. Now, if it's not showing up at all, you can also cross-check your menu on your Facebook app. Just scroll down in here, and if you have a professional access option, as you can see, you can turn on creators mode or professional mode from here as well. But if it's not showing up anywhere on your profile, go to that section where the professional mode is missing from, and then just make sure to take a screenshot of your profile like this. And now we're going to just report Facebook about this problem. So launch the app, go to menu, scroll down to help and support, and then go to report a problem. You can either go back to your profile, shake the device, or since you have taken this screenshot, just continue to report a problem. Now scroll down, select the don't include option. Now from this list, you gotta select profile and then just hit upload from phone and attach that screenshot you have taken earlier. Now after that, you gotta describe your issue as directly and clearly as possible. Like, dear Facebook team, professional mode is not showing up on my Facebook profile. Please review my profile and make it show up once again. Thank you. You can also pause this video and then send this exact message if you want. Carefully review whatever you have written. And lastly, just tap on this send button. And after reviewing your problem, Facebook might allow you to turn on professional mode. Let us know in the comment section if that could solve your problem. Thanks for watching.